sound of it. You hear that? Quick, 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 quick. Ow! Oof, you hear that? That's a big truck. Ow! Quick, baby, quick, baby! I have the phone. Oh, you turned it on. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. It's quite short than the earlier. Wow. Bubby!
Hey, baby! There you go.
There
See,
it
we
is.
didn't have to wait very long, did we? We had to run.
There it is.
All right.
There it is. Bye.
Bye.
It looks like a snake over there. Oh.
There you go. That's the ghan from Darwin to Adelaide.
Hey, Bubby, run! Other side. Other side. Ah! This thing making my thing itchy. It's a thing. Stuck. Oh, ow. It's itchy.
Oh, it looks like the desert tracker. Look at that. This is the attire for the desert. I hate you, Peanut. Alright, see ya.
I'll post that. Ay, there's lots of flies. Wala na.
Should post that on YouTube as well.
What?
Yes. What? What? Hey, share and subscribe.
And comment.
Where are you going? Where are you going? What do you mean by? Where are you going?
To the car.
Ah,
It's really hot. How many degrees today? It's really hot.
43 degrees. She's got socks on.
Not inside the car though. Oh, there's a car truck coming. Hi, Dad. Waving, waving. Wala nang train. We need to catch up with the train now. Bobby. Need to catch up.